G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day y'all, how you all going? The time is 24 past 9 in the morning. Now before we go down to the beach, a quick shot of these birds having a bit of feed and drink. Oh, this one's having a bath. Beautiful. Oh, the other ones are flowing off. Now they come back. Now I might have to try to lift this camera up a bit higher. I don't want to try to record that because it's a higher thing than the other one. I want to get the angle right. Look how beautiful they are. Oh well. What's it up to, this bird? It's eating the bugs. Oh well, we'll let them meet and yeah. You all take it easy. My name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.